Hello, what is your name?
I'm Rhoda Kailor Pascual.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have one.
How old?
9 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No, only in Philippines.
Okay. So how many years in the Philippines?
2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in? Where's your employer living in?
Kolanta.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400.
How many family member there?
4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
8 and 16 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Okay. I wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. Then I prepare breakfast for them. After their breakfast, I send the kids downstairs. And then after I send the kids downstairs, I go to car wash. After the car wash, I take my breakfast.
Okay.
After I take my breakfast, I start cleans the house. After that, I prepare dinner. After I prepare dinner, I iron the clothes. After that, I tidy up all the mess again. And then, after that, I cook dinner.
Okay, do you go market?
No,
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
7 o'clock.
What time they eat?
8.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9, mostly 9 or 9:30.
Okay, thank you so much.